Good morning, National Dayers! It's Mrs. Erickson. Today is Monday, March 4th. It is the 64th day of the year. There are 302 days left. Happy National Pound Cake Day.
On March 4th, National Pound Cake Day recognizes one of the dessert world's most versatile cakes. Each year, it is celebrated by bakers and cake lovers alike. Celebrate with a piece or two of this deliciously rich delight. The traditional recipe for pound cake makes a cake much larger than most families can consume, as it calls for a pound each of flour, butter, eggs, and sugar, hence the name pound cake. In the United States, sour cream pound cake is a popular variation apart from the traditional pound cake recipe. Other variations include adding vanilla or almond flavoring or dried fruits. The best way to celebrate National Pound Cake Day? Well, visit your favorite bakery and pick up a pound of deliciously sweet cake to share. Make sure you give that baker a shout out too. Then invite your friends to join you and slice it up. Add sweet berries, whipped cream, a drizzle of chocolate or fruit syrup. Bring some to your friends and family. It's a pound of cake. Most importantly, make sure you get some pound cake in that belly today. Today is also National Dance the Waltz Day, National Grammar Day, National Marching Band Day, and National Snack Day. All right, National Dayers, today we're going to make a spring chick out of pound cake. Gather the following supplies. You'll need a frozen pound cake. You can get that from the frozen section at the grocery store. Oval cookie cutters, black sugar pearl sprinkles, and orange rainbow crunch chip sprinkles. And then you'll need a toothpick. All right, let's get started. So the first thing you're going to do is you're going to open up to that pound cake, and actually you want to use it frozen because it'll make it easier for you to slice. And you want to cut about a 1/2 inch thick slice. Now, if your cookie cutter is bigger than the size of the pound cake, I had to use my smallest cookie cutter, then you can always turn the cake on its side and use like a sideways section of the cake instead of just the slice. Now, cut out an oval using your cookie cutter, and then turn it on its side so it's lengthwise, and then add 3 holes with your toothpick. So kind of stick the toothpick in there and wiggle it around. You're going to do 2 eyes and then a little mouth hole. And then take one of the orange rainbow chip sprinkles and stick that in the little mouth hole for his little orange beak. Take your black sprinkles, 2 of those, and put 1 in each eye hole and kind of press them down. It's just that simple. You can make a bunch of these out of your frozen pound cake and then give them to friends as yummy, delicious treats. And they're so cute too.
Okay, National Dayers, we've got our pound cake and our 15-pound cat. All right, National Dayers, get some pound cake in your belly. Keep smiling. Have a marvelous Monday. And we will see you tomorrow. Bye. Ooh, doesn't this look yummy? Do you want some? Delicious.
It's time for super spectacular shoutouts. Our shoutouts today start us off with Elizabeth and everyone in the Dream Room at Stark West in Mandeville, Louisiana. Next up is Ms. Maxwell and Ms. Brown and everyone in the Learning Connections program, grades 3 through 5, at W.R. Odell Elementary School in Concord, North Carolina. Our third shout out today goes out to Mr. Tony and Mr. Eric and all of the Blue Crabs in 1st through 3rd grade at Baltimore Montessori Public Charter School in Baltimore, Maryland. And our fourth shout out today goes out to Mrs. McLean and everyone in the 5th and 6th grade program at Memorial Park Elementary School in Waterville, New York. Thank you so much for watching, and thank you for your support. Teachers, our shout-out form is currently closed due to popularity, which is amazing. Thank you for watching, and I will keep you posted when we're taking more shout-out requests. And here it is, your updated, super spectacular shout-out map.